Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging my Sephora play bag for March 2019. And I'm going to tell you that I've already opened up the box and I've looked at the paper, and I'm very disappointed this month. Very disappointed, so much so that I'm considering canceling this bag. So it has all the products on it. This is the Beauty in Bloom is what it says across the center here. Probably the only thing that I would say is the saving grace is that you do get 50 Sephora points if you remember to redeem them. And I've been forgetting the last few months because I haven't been buying as much this year as I have in the past. And honestly, in March, I'm going to be spending more of my money at Ulta because of the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Now, Sephora does typically have a sale right after the 21 Days of Beauty. So like early April is when they will typically have their spring VIB sale. So I might actually remember to redeem this one. We'll see. Anyway, so I am going to just put this off to the side here, but I will tell you that I'm very disappointed this month. Let's go ahead and I'll show you why. So this first item is a perfume. This is maybe I should show you the other side. The replica says this is from Maison Margiela. I don't know. That's what it looks like. Okay. All right, so this is the Hit the Right Note Maison Margiela replica by the fireplace. The bottled version of a cozy, toasty night in by the fire with warm and sweet gourmand notes. About the brand, replica fragrances are a collection from Parisian fashion house Maison Margiela that evoke scents attached to specific places, times, and memories. And it says, meet the blend. The fragrance family is warm and spicy. The top note is clove oil. The middle note is chestnut accord, and the base note is vanilla accord. I might actually like this one. I'm going to pull it out and spray it. Normally, I do not spray the perfume. Typically, I will just put them in a box over here, and then once the box gets full, my husband, John, will take it into school. He's a teacher, and like leave it in the teacher's lounge for other people. Now, I will tell you that it's like half empty. So, I mean, I know this is considered like a bonus item, but it's half empty. So I'm just going to spray it on the card. I actually really like that. That smells nice. It's what's interesting is it's called By the Fireplace, and it does have like a woody scent to it. Now it does say chestnut accord. I don't know what that means. That actually smells really nice. Now, of course, I used a good chunk of what was in here. I think this usually will only have like what, like 3 or 4 spritzes, something like that. Maybe 5 or 6 spritzes. I don't know. Anyway, it smells really nice. I might actually keep that one. And not even to wear, just to like spray as like a room deodorizer maybe? I don't know. Would they be offended if I use their perfume as a room deodorizer? And I don't even know. This might be a really expensive brand too. I don't know. All right, let's pull the next item out. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. It's in the shade R230. I am not going to pull this out of the package. I already have 2 of these samples. This is the 3rd time in, I guess I'm starting my 3rd year on the Sephora Play because I started on my channel 2 years ago. This is my 3rd year. I'm going into my channel, and I've gotten this twice before. This specific shade and everything. R230 is not my shade. It's too dark for me. I need R220, I think, is the shade that I have that actually sort of matches me. But this one is too dark for me. So I'm not going to open this. I might just donate it or something. It's hard to put it in a giveaway because it is a specific shade. So I might just go ahead and donate this. It doesn't work for me. Anyway, all right, so it says relax in the shade. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in R230. It's a lightweight, medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for an even complexion. Why it's a spring must-have. This spring makeup bag essential provides seamless sheer coverage that lasts. Ideal for all skin types, it leaves you with a comfortable natural finish. How to use. Apply 2 pumps in thin layers upon beginning in the center of your face and then spread outward. I just realized something. This is the invisible cover. Didn't they just come out with this? Hold please. I may have just went on a rant for no reason whatsoever. I'm going to go look in my collection and see what I have. It might not be the invisible cover. Hold on one second. Okay, I was right. I do have 2 of them, but they are not the same shade. So this one is the Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in Y225, yellow undertones. And then here is the R230 in the Invisible Cover Foundation. So I was right. 3rd time getting the product. Now, at least I got 2 different shades. I got the R230 twice, and then I got the Y225. But I think, now that I'm thinking about it, the Y225 I might have gotten in a different product, but no, it would have had to have been in this beauty box because it actually says on here that it's an exclusive. So it would have had to have been in this box. Okay, 1 product out of the 5 I've already gotten. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is the Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Water and Sweat Resistant from Supergoop. Now, this I'm actually kind of excited about, but I think I've gotten this before too. It does have a safety seal. I'm actually fairly certain I've received this product in a beauty box before. It might not be from Sephora Play, but I'm pretty certain I've gotten this before. But it is a sunscreen, so it's coming up into summer. I'm definitely keeping this one. I'm going to be using it. Water and sweat resistant. I'm going to the beach. I'm also going to amusement parks this summer, and I'm also going to be going to Maine actually. So I'm going to hold on to this one. It is 1/3 of an ounce, so that one I'm not too upset about. So this is the Everything Under the Sun Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. An invisible, weightless, scentless sunscreen that provides broad spectrum SPF 40 protection. Why it's a spring must-have. This innovative sunscreen uses a unique oil-free formula that easily glides onto skin. Plus, it provides shine control and delivers a velvety, makeup gripping finish. How to use. Apply a dime-size amount after your skincare routine and before putting on makeup. Tip, don't forget to reapply every 2 hours. Now, that's nice and all. Do any of you apply sunscreen over top of your makeup? Because I've never done that. And in fact, when I'm wearing sunscreen, let's be honest, when I'm wearing sunscreen, I'm not wearing makeup. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that. When I need to really wear sunscreen, I'm not wearing makeup. Typically because I'm at the beach or I'm at an amusement park. When I'm not doing something specifically that I would need sunscreen for, I'm in the house. Like, I'm pretty much a vampire. I never leave my house unless I absolutely have to. So, or I'm going out to dinner because I don't like to cook. But I've never seen anybody apply sunscreen over top of makeup. So I don't know how you'd reapply every 2 hours. But I think I said that on a previous video, and I said the same thing about another sunscreen. And I think one of you guys commented below that they have to say that to like cover themselves or something. I don't know. If any of you apply sunscreen over top of your makeup, I would love to hear it because I've just never seen anybody do that and I want to know how it works. All right, this next item I'm not very happy about. I've gotten this before. This is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. That is what it looks like. I'm going to grab mine. I'm pretty sure I still have it in my collection, even though it's probably like a year old. I'll be right back. Here it is. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it and I will show you the wand. That is what the wand looks like. A typical hourglass shaped wand. So I can't remember if I like it or not. I am going to go ahead and keep this in my box for my month-end beauty box look. I'll keep these 2 Ultra HD foundations out as well. And maybe if I mix them, they'll look okay on my skin, but I doubt it. So, all right. This says, a defining moment, the Sephora Collection Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. It's a full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. Why it's a spring must-have. Get lashes that look thicker and bolder with this buildable mascara that provides maximum definition. Plus, it uses jojoba oil, which prevents flaking, smudging, or clumping. How to use. Wiggle brush at the root of lashes, then pull through to coat tips. Repeat as desired. I've gotten all three of those products before. All right, let's pull the next item out. This is the Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment from Dr. Jart. And it's one of those bottles that is like sunken in. So like that's where it comes to on my finger. Completely covers my, well, almost completely covers my finger now. So let's see what it looks like inside. It smells funky. That's what it looks like. I think I've gotten this product before. I'm not 100% certain. If I did, I've given it away, and I did not try it out. I do have a lot of natural redness. If you guys have seen any of my foundation reviews, when I start the video, I never have my makeup on, and I do have a lot of natural redness on the center part of my face. So I think I will hold on to this and utilize it in my month-end video, but I very well might have gotten this. I know I've gotten some Cicapair products before, but I can't remember if it was like this green one, if that makes sense. I just don't remember. All right, so the paper says the grass is always greener. This is the Dr. Jart Cicapair, I might be pronouncing that wrong. Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30. An all-in-one treatment that tones down redness and helps protect skin from environmental stressors. Why it's a spring must-have. This color correcting formula turns from green to beige to help cover redness or blemishes. Plus, it provides SPF 30 protection while restoring fatigued skin. How to use. After cleansing, apply a dime-sized amount to skin. This cream will change from green to beige as you blend it in. Let's give it a try. I'll tell you what, it's all over the place. All right, I'm going to get a little bit on my finger. And we're going to go ahead and blend it in. Doesn't look like it's turning super beige. Oh, well, kinda. Kinda. It still has a little bit of a green tint to it, but it's just a tint. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I thought it wasn't going to turn. But I mean, I've seen color correctors before that are green that don't really turn beige, right? It does have a green tint to it though. Just a little bit, not too bad. But that's what actually helps with the redness, right? I'm pretty sure that's what helps with the redness. So, all right, I will give that a try. I don't really use color correctors, so that's why it kind of intrigued me, but I think I've gotten it before. All right, the last product in here is from Amika. This is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo, and I am like 90% certain I've gotten this before as well. So, all right, I think I got this before. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and read the card. So it says, spring is in the hair, Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This is an oil-absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. Why it's a spring must-have. This quick, no-wash cleanser is the perfect match for your second-day hair. It leaves strands soft, smooth, and volumized. Plus, the scent is oh so fresh. How to use, you shake the spray, then hold it 10 to 12 inches away from your hair and apply to roots before brushing through. So, let's go ahead and recap. I got the Amika hair dry shampoo, which I'm fairly certain I got. If I didn't get the dry shampoo, then I definitely received a hairspray at some point in the past. But I know I've gotten an Amika spray before. Pretty sure it was from Sephora Play. The Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. Again, I'm pretty certain I've gotten this before, but it's not a bad thing to have. The Makeup Forever Ultra HD in R230. I've definitely gotten that before, as I showed you. The Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. Again, I absolutely have gotten that before. And the Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment, which I think I've gotten before. I know I've gotten something Cicapair, and I don't know if this is the only product with that name. The only reason why I remember is I remember Cicapair and I remember Tiger Grass, because that's kind of unique. I don't know that there's any other products out there that use the term tiger grass. So I've gotten something from Dr. Jart with the Cicapair tiger grass on it. I just can't remember if it was this specific product or not. I think it might have been, but I'm not 100% certain. And that perfume, I think it smells really good. It smells very woodsy. I don't, like I said, I don't think I'd wear it as a perfume, but I would consider just using like 1 or 2 spritzes around like my great room downstairs, just to make it smell nice. So overall, I'm very, very disappointed in this bag. You guys might like it if you haven't gotten this bag in a while. And I know a couple of you have commented before that you go hot and cold with Sephora Play, and there are often times that you will cancel it and then pick it back up again, and then cancel it and then pick it back up again. I'm very much considering canceling it. Very much so. Like I said, I think that I might have gotten every one of these products. The only one I'm not 100% certain is the Cicapair. I'm pretty certain I got everything else that I got here today. So that makes me sad. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button. It really makes me happy when people hit the red subscribe button. So if you want to make me happy, hit the red subscribe button. I'm sorry, I'm in a goofy mood, sorry. And hit the bell if you feel like it, and leave me some comments if you feel like it. I love hearing from you all, and I'm very, very, very sorry. I am very, 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 very behind on comments. My work life has been crazy hectic. I've been working like 50-hour weeks for the last couple of weeks, so just way too much going on at my job. So when you're working 50-hour weeks, trying to keep up with posting videos, something's got to give. So unfortunately, I'm very, very behind on comments. So anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.